How to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And wait, I know what you're thinking. This channel doesn't even have 1,000 subscribers. I'm actually the owner of a big channel called MemeZ. You can look it up. Done YouTube for almost 10 years. I've edited for big YouTubers and I've gotten 5 billion views and 2 million subscribers. So I know a little thing or two. This is just my new business page. On this brand new channel that you're watching right now, I decided to run a little experiment. I posted a long form video that got over 50,000 views and a short that has over 500,000 views without barely even trying. So not only do I know how to grow new channels in 2026, I know how to build big channels that has longevity. I'm not your average YouTube guru. I really do this. Most beginners make the same exact mistake when starting out. They make videos about whatever they feel like making on that day and press upload and pray that the algorithm magically brings in millions of viewers. That almost never works for you. Trust me, I tried it for myself until I've really figured it out. That almost never works when you have 0 subscribers because nobody knows who you are yet. YouTube has 0 data on who to show your video to. You cannot create demand from scratch when you're a brand new channel. Instead, you need to ride an existing wave, and trust me, I know this better than anybody else. My channel was built on hopping from trend to trend to trend, but this is what works. The reality is, if you really want to do YouTube, it's either you have to build evergreen content or trendy content. Every single day, something new spikes in popularity. Let's say there's a new trend called Mr. Moo. Now, the YouTube algorithm understands that Mr. Moo is now a trendy topic. Whoever makes a video about Mr. Moo first is going to get all the traffic. This is how YouTube works. And once you understand this, this is when you can really start winning. Let's say you're a Roblox YouTuber. How can you tie this Mr. Moo topic into your videos? If you're a gaming YouTuber, how can you tie this Mr. Moo topic into your videos? This is where your creativity comes into play. If you make a video that ties to that popular topic, like Mr. Moo, the example I just gave, you are going to get more views than you usually do. So make sure when you're starting out to tie popular topics into your videos. I did this exactly with MemeZ. I luckily came right at the very beginning of the Discord moderator meme in 2020. I basically speedrun the channel to 10,000 subscribers. Also make sure the title has the popular trend that you're talking about and in the thumbnail. This is very important. And make sure it has it in the tags and the SEO. Make sure your video looks like the freshest, the most exciting answer available for people searching for this specific thing. And here's a bonus hack. Make sure you do a long form video and a short form video about this topic. You can use this logic for anything in your niche. If there's a popular medicine, if there's a medicine that is not popular, make a video about it. If you're a real estate, if there's a new building that is super popular, make a video about it. And if you like that information, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I want to be the best YouTube coach that actually does YouTube, not like these frauds who pretend they know YouTube, but when you go on their channel, they don't even have a channel above 10,000 subscribers. So leave a like, subscribe if you want actual valuable knowledge on YouTube.